Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Wix AI Website Builder. Wix AI generates a ready site for you after you answer a few prompts, then you edit text, images and layout and settings before you connect a domain and publish. Firstly, sign in to your Wix account, then answer some questions for security. When you bypass security, go to Create with AI, then answer the prompts about your business or website purpose, style, pages needed, features, for example, blog store or booking. You can see an example here. Wait a few seconds and Wix AI builds a draft site tailored to your answers. Once the draft is ready, open the editor and do the following in this order. Edit site content by clicking on any text element to edit. Use the inline editor to rewrite headlines, subheads, and body copy. Also use Wix AI copy tools if offered to generate or refine sections and replace placeholder names or descriptions with your actual business info. Now replace and optimize images. Click an image, change image, and upload your photos or choose Wix stock. For product or hero images, use high resolution and add alt text for accessibility and SEO. If Wix offers an image generator, try it for hero or background art, but always check output quality. Now, adjust layout and sections. Add or remove sections to drag to order, and use pre-built blocks like pricing, CTA for consistent styles, and make sure each page has one primary CTA like buy, contact, or book. And to add or edit pages or navigation, go to pages, then add about, contact, shop, blog, privacy or terms, and any product or category pages, and update the menu so it reflects the pages customers need. Use the drop-downs for categories. You also have the brand kit, typography, mobile view and accessibility to design and brand and access your website. Now all you have to do is add functionalities like apps and features, do SEO and site settings, and add payments and shipping policies, and preview, test version control, connect your domain, and finally let your website go live. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.